Sliding screen on Siemens HMI, how we can use it and where we can use it actually. On screen management, you can find sliding screen. Okay, we have four sliding. The first one comes from button. This one comes from left, right, and top. For example, I go to the left one, and you can on the properties and on layout say how much pixel it should be. For example, my sliding, I put it for example on 90 pixel, and there's an option for handle. You can put it on visibility hide handle automatically. It goes hide when we don't use it, and when I bring the mouse here, it will be visible, and we don't have such an important thing here. So let's go and see. I put a page for that. In all of your page you will have a slider. Okay, it's not just specify for a specific screen. So this is my slider, and if I click on the handle, you can see this is my slider. You can use it as a menu, and on a sliding actually we can use all of these elements, that they are quite a lot. Another thing that we can use for sliding is the event. For example, I go to sliding here and disable the handle, just never show the handle. And here I can use two buttons with event. First of all, show a sliding, you can find them below screen. Am I right? Yeah, show a slider in. Okay, and the next one, I just use the slide in screen, but the toggle mode, the mode is off, so I can use this button. Let's see how does it work. It's quite more beautiful in comparison with handle, like this or like this. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like the video, and see you soon.